In this video, we present Stargazer, an interactive camera robot for capturing how-to videos based on subtle instructor cues. Professional camera persons can help with capturing dynamic shots to improve the quality of physical skill tutorial videos or how-to videos. However, many how-to creators do not have access to a dedicated camera crew. Stargazer uses a 7-axis collaborative camera robot that can be safely operated in close proximity to a human instructor. The robot reacts to subtle instructor cues to film dynamic shots. Stargazer uses an RGB camera, a depth camera, a wireless mic to sense instructor cues. These cues can be implicit, such as head position, and explicit. The explicit cues can be further divided into gestural and speech cues. Stargazer supports 3 types of shots: instructor shots, action shots, and object shots. In each type of shots, Stargazer automatically follows the subject of interest. Instructors can use subtle cues, including gestures and speech, to control shot types, camera framing, angles, and movements. This allows instructors to fluidly blend camera control commands into instructional activities. Let's see an example.
Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to build a 3D cricket deck. Take a look at this top cover.
Most of the time, Stargazer camera follows instructors' hands to capture action shots.
As you can see, our top cover is very thin. This is our base of the lab.
In these shots, Stargazer also orients its camera towards instructors' torsos.
The base is thicker than the top cover because we don't want light to go through the base. This is our socket.
Instructors can raise a hand to signal Stargazer to transition to an instructor shot so that they can talk face-to-face with their audience.
We bought it from the hardware store. Let's take a look at this light bulb.
Using pointing gestures, instructors can make Stargazer focus on the object they're pointing at.
Let's take a closer look.
They can also verbally suggest the camera to zoom in to get a tighter framing.
The light bulb has yellow filament, which produces warm light. And now let's look from the top.
To change camera angles, instructors can use speech to tell the camera to take a high-angle shot.
Let's start installing the bulb. Once we are done, cover on.
Finally, instructors can use a 2-hand pointing gesture to initiate a camera orbit. We invited 6 physical skills instructors to film how-to videos with Stargazer. Participants created videos on a variety of topics and utilized a rich combination of different camera subjects, framing, and angles.
Using different real rocks and different textures.
So this tube has been actually laser printed, and
before you remove the strap.
Use the medium-sized wrench shown here. You can look closer, it is hexagon shape, which is the same shape.
Yeah, basically using paper to keep them alive. With my puppets, because I am using magnets instead of freehand.
Roll only one side to make this kind of like cone shape.
Please see our paper for more details and the supplementary material for the full videos that participants created. Thank you.